Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cube root, and you got about s minus 1. Next, because we have s, so I will put negative number 1 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 3u squared du. This one we have number 1, so we put the s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 2, that's it from here. So I will put number 2 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to the cube root of 2 minus 1. We have number 1. When s equals to number 4, so we have number 4 in here. And I will put number 4 go to s. And 4 minus 1, we have number 3. So u equals to the cube root of number 3. So this one we change by u. Number 2 we change by number 1. Number 4 we change by this one. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. So u squared divided by u, we have u in here. Number 3 I will put in here. Next, we need to expand this one. So 5 minus 6, we have negative number 1. And then u multiplied by u to the power of 3 and number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we have u to the power of 5 over 5. About u, we have u squared over 2. And then I will put the bounds from number 1 to the cube root of number 3. So I will put this one cone here, number 1 cone here. So 5 divided by 5, we have number 1. This one we calculate, and we have 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.